Hi, it's Andrew with Northern Mom Life. Today we're going to take a look at the Chi Original 1-inch Digital Ceramic Hairstyling Iron. Let's take a look and unbox the Chi Original 1-inch Digital Ceramic Hairstyling Iron. It generates ions for shinier looking results, has floating plates for better grip, dual voltage for convenient travel, an LC adjustable heat settings for all hair types, a 1-hour auto safety shutoff for safety, and a 2-year limited warranty. This one comes in the Midnight Matte. Let's take a quick look at the back. Again, it shows the features of the iconic advanced Chi ceramic technology for silky, shiny, and frizz-free hair instantly. It has the floating plates for better grip and easy, versatile styling. The digital display and mode setting with preset temperatures for customized styling. It varies from 180 Fahrenheit all the way up to 425 Fahrenheit. Ceramic heaters with advanced technology for 60-second heat up. Max temperature again at 425 Fahrenheit and a 6.5 professional swivel cord. Let's open it up. So inside you can see there's like a velvety, soft packaging around the Chi Original Flat Iron. Lift this up out here. You can see the cord is underneath. And underneath here looks like the owner's manual, the Chi Original Digital Ceramic Hairstyling Iron. Let's see what's in here. Directions. Life's too short to have boring hair. Have a salon, fabulous hair day without leaving your house. For best results, use Chi hairstyling products to protect your hair and look and style. So here it has directions on how to do your hair and also a guide on temperature setting for your hair type. So initially I picked this up. It feels nice. It has some grip on it. It's not slippery. It has a little bit of texture to it. Feels of good quality. The cord is nice and thick and has a good swivel. I can see the buttons are inside here with the mode, power, and add or decrease temperature. Alright, so I just plugged in the Chi Original Ceramic Hairstyling Iron for the first time. It has, like I said, the power button is located right inside. I'll give that a press. A cute little beep. I can press the temperature higher or lower. And there's a mode button as well. It says for fine, 370, medium, or coarse. So I'm going to go to medium. I can feel the heat is starting to come off of the iron. So this is the Chi Original 1-inch ceramic hairstyling iron, and I'm really excited to use it. It feels like great quality. It has some good weight to it. Seems like a nice product. Thank you for watching my video today. If you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it.